If you want to start making money online, then Upwork is one of the best places you can do this. And in this episode, I'm going to show you the process of how to get started. Number one, you need to do research. There are so many digital skills that people can have that people can pay for on Upwork. So first of all, you need to research what digital skills that you have that you can offer as a service so that you can make some money. Number two, you need to go to upwork.com and create an account. You can do this by either using new profile details or you can use a Gmail account. A Gmail account is actually very simple and it's straightforward. Once you create an account, you're going to get into a page where you need to start filling your profile. And in your profile, there are so many details that are required, but I'm going to break them down to you. Number one, you have expertise. Expertise section is where you fill your skills. It is necessary to focus on the skills that you are ready to offer. Number two, education. You need to fill your qualifications to show that you have acquired the minimum academic qualifications to do certain work. Number three, understanding of English language. If you are a native English speaker, that is where you add native. If you've learned it as a second language, add it as a second language. I find the best practice in this section is to add English as your native language, even if you learned it as a second language, because most clients will choose English natives. Number five, you're going to add your hourly rates. Hourly rates is how much you're going to be paid per hour. I normally use a United States standard of $10 per hour, a minimum of $10 per hour. But of course, there are some jobs you're going to get that are going to be less than $10 per hour. But as a start, just put something there that you find is okay for you, because later you're going to change. Number six is your title and overview. Your title is what you describe yourself as. You can describe yourself as anything that you want, but make it precise, clear, not very long and flashy, just something that people can understand. Next, on the overview is where you describe what you do. If you're a content writer, you need to explain what you've done in the past so that you can build your credibility as a content writer. Personally, I focus on what I offer to the client. So for instance, I say that I'm going to do certain research, I understand SEO, and I'm going to offer high quality SEO optimized content and all that. You know the terminologies that are involved in your digital skills, so you need to list a few of them so that you can show that you have some understanding. But it is necessary for you to focus on your client so that they can know that they will get value from you. Number seven, your profile photo. Your profile photo needs to be very professional and you must be smiling, because a smiling photo attracts attention. It improves your chances of getting a job. Your location, just choose your current location. Finally, you can add your phone number. Your phone number can be used to contact you so that they can identify whether you are truly somebody who says as they claim. Other things that you might be asked to add include certifications and projects that you have done before. You can always add them later as you continue working. So once you're done with filling all the information in your profile, just submit that information and wait for at least 1 day to a week to get a response from Upwork. So your account will be verified based on the quality of work that you have, the quality of your profile. So make sure that your profile is very straight on to the point. It has no grammatical errors, because those are actually some of the things that show that you are not as professional as you can be. And also you must show that you have some qualifications, maybe some good background to show that you can actually do what you're claiming to do. Anyway, that's how to get started in Upwork. So you go and create an account and do all that and get started on your journey of earning money online. Thank you. All the best.